Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Talakayin po natin ngayon yung patungkol dito sa impeachment ni VP Sara po. At bakit kaya hindi matuloy-tuloy ito? At ano ba ang magiging dahilan at sino ang humahadlang? Ito ba'y matutuloy pa? Pakinggan natin dito sa DZMM Teleradyo. At panayan po nila dito si Christian Munsod, isang batikang lawyer po. No? Pakinggan po natin. Let's go.
Tanungin natin ang isa sa bumalangkas ng 1987 Philippine Constitution. Nakasama na natin siya ilang beses sa ating programa at makakasama natin muli via Zoom Attorney Christian Munsod. Attorney, good morning. Peter Atrica sa Balitapatan. Magandang umaga po.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. How are you doing, sir? Kumusta po kayo?
Tulog po
Ay,
si Sir.
gising na ako.
Maagang guwising.
Maaga na.
Okay. Attorney Munsod, it's a pleasure to have you po. Kayo po naging chairman ng COMELEC and isa rin kayo sa mga framers ng 1987 Constitution. And I think among only perhaps a few people who can shed light on this question is your good self. Attorney Munsod, ang sinasabi ay pwede pong gawin ng Senado by a mere majority vote na ibasura ang impeachment complaint laban kay VP Sara. Do you agree or disagree po?
Well,
Disagree.
if you recall, that was the proposal of Senator Bato. Tapos, doon sa session, nagkaroon ng recess, nagkaroon sila ng discussions among themselves at pumayag sila na ang approving na i-remanding to the House asking for certification. Bakit hindi nila ginawa doon? Kung talagang kaya nila yan at at they have the power to do that. They did not do it. Diba? Let me just read you for the sake of our readers, yung constitutional provision. No? All right. In case the verified complaint or resolution of impeachment is filed by at least 1/3 of all the members of the House, the same shall constitute the articles of impeachment, and trial by the Senate shall forthwith proceed. Trial. It was already filed with them on February 5. They did not. Well, after what, 4 months?
Yes.
After 4 or 5 months, they're now saying that they can dismiss it. Where did that come from? Where is that power to dismiss it? Ang kanilang power lang is to conduct the trial, and then they have the sole power to try and decide all cases of impeachment. Trial. Right? There's nothing here that gives them such powers as dismissal of the impeachment charges. So hindi ko maintindihan kung saan nanggaling.
So, ito, batikang lawyer na to, si Christian Munsod. Naririnig naman natin yung pangalan niya nung mga dati pa, no? At yan nga ang sinasabi niya na talagang walang power ang Senado na mag-dismiss ng ganitong impeachment, kundi consult lang sila. Kaya medyo kahit ang taong bayan talaga naguguluhan, kahit nga itong mga lawyer na kung saan kaya nakukuha ni SP, no, si Senate President, yung pag-delay at halos parang ayaw na talagang ituloy itong impeachment na para sa taong bayan na magkaroon ng kaliwanagan. 'Di ba? Mas maganda nga ma-impeach, mapag-usapan para may closure, no? Hindi yung magkakaroon ng agam-agam ang pag-iisip ng mga taong bayan, baka mauwi pa yan sa People's Power 3, 'di ba? Sana ituloy talaga 'to nila.
Yun sa komentaryo ni Senate President.
Yeah.
And they are not in session anymore.
Mhm.
Diba? Naka-recess na sila.
Mhm.
Now, if it is true that pwedeng gawin yun, why don't they meet again? Why do they meet? So,
Yeah.
although they're now in recess, di ba, Sina Die na on June 12. So it's now, after June 30, it passes on to the 20th Congress.
Opo, speaking of that, Attorney Monsod, hindi po kaya ang konteksto nito yung pwedeng gawin ng papasok na 20th Congress
Hindi na
na
sinabi, sure.
Opo. So ibig pong sabihin imbis na 19th Congress ang siyang magbobotohan and by majority may actually dismiss the impeachment case against VP Sara, baka ang pinatutungkulan po ni Senate President Chis Escudero ay yung 20th Congress who may say, okay, we will adopt it, or by a majority vote, no, we don't wish to entertain it. Could that be a possible scenario, sir?
Well, he did not say that. He only said that the Senate can do that. Now, if you look at it from another angle, the Constitution says the Senate has the sole power. They're the only ones with the power to try and decide the impeachment charges. If the 20th Congress refuses to continue with that trial, what was the whole point of Article 11? Ganun pala. You cannot circumcise to go around the constitutional provision and come up with the conclusion na pwedeng walang trial. Ayaw nila. Hindi po. They are mandated by the Constitution to conduct the trial.
Attorney, maaari bang... Opo,
Tama, kasi constitution na yan na dapat talaga ipagpatuloy talaga nila yung pandinig na yan. At nasa kanila na bakit kailangan pang ipasa, di ba?
maaari po bang sabihin ng taong bayan na kapag hindi nila itinuloy ang impeachment trial dahil ito ay nasa konstitusyon na sila ay nagko-commit ng grave abuse of discretion po ba yung tinatawag dito?
Yes, that's Article 1, Article 8.
Dapat may batas na ipataw din sa mga senador na ayaw ipagpatuloy at nakikita naman natin kung sino yung mga yan, especially itong nasa screen natin ngayon kasi siya yung Senate President ngayon ng Senado na kung tutuusin talaga, trabaho nila yan, nasa kanila na, galing na nga sa Congress, bakit pa nila ibabalik sa Congress uli? Dapat, bakit di na lang nila trabahuin, di ba? So, doon naguguluhan yung mga taong bayan, kahit itong mga lawyer. So, sana bigyan nila or sana magkaroon ng kaparusahan yung mga senators na lumalabag sa ganitong constitution para na sa ganun hanggang dito na lang to, hindi na to pamarisan pa ng mga susunod na senador, no?
That's a new provision of the Constitution na binigay yan sa Supreme Court. And moreover, yung mga abogado ni Vice President Duterte, they have already filed a petition in the Supreme Court na sinasabi nila na this asking for the Supreme Court to rule that this impeachment charges should be declared as unconstitutional for violation of that one-year rule. So in other words, the defendants have already recognized the power of the Supreme Court on gross violation on their discretion, di ba? nandun eh. Even the lawyers of the vice president, they claim grave abuse of discretion. Right? That case is already pending in the Supreme Court. How can the Senate be more than the defense? Diba?
Opo.
Na inaamin ng defense by simply filing that petition in the Supreme Court on the basis of grave abuse of discretion.
Kung nakareses na po ngayon ang 19th Congress, attorney, at magkakaroon na tayo ng 20th Congress come June 30, kailangan pa bang magsalita ni Senate President Chis Escudero if by the 20th Congress magkakaroon na naman ng panibagong Senate President na maaring hindi na siya yung maaring hindi na siya yon? O pagdating po ba ng 20th Congress, iba na ang Senate President, siya pa rin po ba yung chief, yung ano tawag dito, yung presiding officer ng impeachment court kung hindi na siya ang Senate President?
No, the 20th Congress will elect its own Senate
Opo,
President.
di ba po? Pero yung yung panibagong Senate President po ba ay manunumpa bilang siya ang magiging panibagong presiding officer sa impeachment court? Ganun po ba 'yan?
All of them. All the new senators and the new vice president will take an oath of office.
Okay. Attorney Monsod, what is the role of the Supreme Court po in this scenario where there seems to be
Sana susunod na maging SP yung Senate President, mapunta kay kasi hindi naman pwede kay Sir Coco dahil alam ko na siya at saka wala na siya ngayon tapos na yung katungkulan niya bilang senador. Hindi ko lang alam kung si Senator Risa Hontiveros nag-Senate President na, kasi kung si Senator Risa ang hahawak nito, maganda-gandang pakinggan yung laban na to, no? At mapagbibigyan talaga yung taong bayan na madinig kung ano ba talagang nangyari sa pondo at para maipaliwanag din, no? Para maging closure na to. Kasi kung mapupunta lang to sa Senate President na pumapabor din sa kay BP Sara, mangyayari parang ganito lang din, no? Parang i-dismiss lang nila. Pero ika nga, sabi nga ni Sir Christian Monsod na Senate Court cannot just dismiss impeachment trial, no? So dapat talaga trabahuin nila to, no?
contradictory pronouncements from the Senate, from the lower house, from the legal luminaries, and including yourself, a framer of the 1987 Constitution. Dapat bang pumasok na ang Supreme Court, or will it further delay itong impending impeachment trial?
Well, it's already delayed, no? Because as I understand it, the first session of the 28th Congress is somewhere near the end of July.
Correct. Apo.
I think that's the case. And yes, we've waited long enough. But remember that the power of the Supreme Court to determine grave abuse of discretion is a new provision of the Constitution. It's not in the 1935, it's not in the 1943 constitutions. That is new. We put that there in order that there must be always a check and balance system in our government, in order to protect the citizens of the Philippines who are the sovereign power in the country.
Pero ano
They
po?
represent
Yeah.
the sovereign people of this country.
Correct. Opo.
They
Pero
do not represent the accused.
yun. So,
Impeachment trial.
yes, in other words, they are supposed to be senator judges, not senator lawyers. Ano po?
Nagparinig pa no? Tama naman kasi ang nangyayari, kasi parang sila na yung lawyer, yung mga senador na 18, sila na yung parang judges o attorney neto ni BP Sara.
They're senators of the people and not senators of the accused.
Yes. One last na lang po. Yung the fact na naghain nga po ng petisyon ang kampo ni VP Sara sa Korte Suprema na walang jurisdiction ng Senado dito sa kaso na ito, malaking bagay po ba kung huhusgahan ito, didesisyonan ng kataas-taasang hukuman?
Well, it clarifies the issue of what is the power of the Supreme Court in an impeachment proceeding. Di ba? Magiging maliwanag.
Yes. Opo, para matuldukan na rin yung parot-parito at pasapasahan ng responsibilidad kung magiging matutuloy nga o hindi.
Attorney, ano po ba yung naghahadlang sa Korte Suprema na magsabi na ng kanilang posisyon dito sa matagal ng pinag-aawayan na bagay na ito?
Well, I cannot answer that question. No?
I cannot answer these questions. Kami alam din to si Sir regarding sa mga nangyayari dun sa sa Supreme Court din natin, parang tulog din eh.
But, we filed in October 2023, we filed a petition to the Supreme Court questioning the transfer of that 125 million from the contingency funds of the President given to the Vice President. We said in our petition that is unconstitutional, but the solution that we offered was not impeachment or anything like that.
Yeah.
We just said ask the Vice President to return the money of the people to the contingency funds of the President. Hindi pa. There is no decision
Hindi pa
yet
rin desisyonan.
on
2023.
Tagal na nun.
and that was October 2023.
2 years
Baka naka-recess din sila, 2 years na, attorney. Yung Supreme Court.
Mukhang magkakaroon na ng second anniversary yata. No? Attorney Monsod, maraming salamat po at we thank you for your time and your valuable insights, and sana po nakikinig yung ating mga senador ngayon. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay, alright. Thank you po sa inyong lahat sa ating napanood at napakinggan dito sa pagbibigay ng idea ni Sir Christian Monsod. Isa po itong batikang lawyer po, no? At sana talaga matuloy na tong impeachment na to para na sa ganun malinis din ni VP Sara yung pangalan niya, no? Kung talaga namang wala siyang kasalanan, umarap siya at patunayan niya, no? At alam ko naman willing si VP Sara diyan. At hindi lang natin alam bakit itong mga senators parang pinipigilan, lalong-lalo na yung Senate President na si Chis Escudero, no? Sana matapos na 'to at mapag-usapan na para may closure na, no? Ayun lang po, at maraming salamat po pala sa mga bagong subscribers. God bless you po sa inyong lahat. At sana yung mga hindi pa palambing naman po. At maraming salamat din po sa inyo. Hanggang sa muli po, ito po si Tio Paeng ang nagsasabing, life is short, be happy, and world peace. Ituloy na natin yung impeachment para may closure na, no? Maraming salamat po.